It's good that you take the first retake. Now I don't feel bad if I need a retake.
Oh no, it's always me. Hello everyone, Madeline here from 3D Natives, and in our quest to talk to some of the most exciting exhibitors at Rapid Plasticity 2024, I am here right now with DMG Mori. Could you please introduce yourself?
Of course. I'm Lennart Tasche. I'm engineering manager at DMG Mori Additive Solutions.
It's lovely to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Could you tell me where you're coming from today?
I flew in from the Bay Area.
Not too far then.
Pretty easy, especially with the time zones.
How did you start working in additive manufacturing?
Yeah, so I studied mechanical engineering in Germany and did my bachelor's, and then doing my master's kind of had to decide in which direction I want to go. And I really saw how disruptive additive manufacturing was, and I liked how big ideas can move a lot in this industry. And that, compared to all the other technologies in mechanical engineering, just let me stick with it.
Why is an event like Rapid Plus TCT important to DMG Mori?
Yeah, as I said before, it's very connecting. So we really enjoy getting in touch with the customer base and with all the users in the additive space. And then at the same time, we obviously like to show our latest technologies. We're very proud to have 2 machines up and running here at the show.
Wow.
And yeah, really enjoy the show, and we'll keep joining it.
Well, that about wraps it up. Thank you so much for being with us here today.
Of course, thank you very much.